Right guys, we're back with another video, and today we're playing Fortnite. Let's get right into this video. And yeah. Oh, I've not started the game. No, I've not. Damn it! Right, I need to die. How do I die? Can I restart this? Oh, there's a guy over here. Guy, kill me now. Or else you'll be killed. Because I don't think I'll be able to get to the storm. Oh, there's only 4 or 5 people left. Yes, I will get to the storm. If I can. Hurry up, please. I don't have any guns or anything. That's a bit bad. Anyway. Run, little kiddies, run. Oh my god. Am I going to drown? Don't you dare drown. Yes. Oh no, I need to go around the way because I can't build that stuff. Don't know why, I just can't. Oh Jesus. There's no one near me, so that's fine. Don't you dare. Don't let me up. Jesus. Hurry up. Right. I don't know why or how I started this video. Where the hell is this within? Oh no. Oh no, the storm is fast, guys. This storm is Usain Bolt. But Usain Bolt's not retired. The Usain Bolt's retired, isn't he? Hurry up. That's a fast storm. Jesus. Look at the speed of that. Hurry up. Oh my god. Nah, I'm dead. I'm so dead, guys. Hurry up, damn. Yep, I think that guy's gonna die, whoever his name is. Oh, is he in my team? Do I have a team? Oh, I don't have a team, do I? Because this is solo. 39 people. No, God, no. Damn it. No. How am I supposed to catch up with that? I'm just gonna keep running. Come on. No, look at me. I'm dying so quickly. Can you stop at that, please? I'm dead. I'm simply dead. That's a fast storm. Damn it. Crawl, my friend. Crawl. Can someone help me? Calypso, help me. I wish you could just hop in that car. Come on. Oh my god, I am so close to this. No, I'm dead. Okay. Turn to lobby. Damn it. I eliminated myself. Think. Right. Holy moly. Right, I'm trying to move my bag. I'm gonna jump. Good. I don't have anything on my, well, there's tons of stuff on my desk, so I can't make video there, so I'm just lying in my bed making a video. Can you do it? No. I don't care about Sniper 3D and stuff. Early access. I hope this isn't a free trial. If it is, I'm gonna be so pissed. Okay. Okay. Alright. Right, guys. I'm actually, yeah. Right, guys. I thought it was loading for me to get onto a new game, but supposedly it's not. So, yeah. Let's just see what happens. 55% see that, guys, is just on the loading screen, so Oh, I've 5 million or whatever this game is, where you shoot balls out of a square. Yes, guys, so it's loading. I will see when it's fully loaded. Right, guys, so it's nearly loaded. I'm nearly a high score on the game I'm playing on my phone. Well, I'm not exactly playing, I'm just waiting to get a high score. Here we are, 95 people. That is nearly 100 people. Let me get into my airplane and jump down somewhere, which is probably one of the parts I hate the most. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hurry up, mate. How the hell did you get a gun? Okay. Right. Let's go. Cause, do you wanna have a fight with me? Okay. Right. Okay, I shouldn't have jumped there. Right, I really shouldn't. I shouldn't be going here. I will go down to this hut here. Right. Oh yeah, I'm on a high score in my game. Okay. Is there loot in here? Yes, there is. Right. Oh, don't you dare glitch. Is this a gun? If it's not, I'm gonna be. Oh, yes, it is. How the hell do I. Hurry up. Am I in a storm? No. Right, okay. Oh, yes, right. This recorder only runs for 15 minutes. Oh, I'm in the thing. No, this way. No, this way. No. Yes. Oh no, there's people there, isn't there? Right, let me go into my gun. Just in case. So I can shoot. Oh, what is this? I will search you. Right. Well, I hope this gun's good. Assault rifle. Well, I do like rifles, so thank you, my lord. Do I die from this? No, I do not. Stop shooting me or else you will die. I am being shot at, but I don't want to. 71st. I think I came 16th before. Oh, are you in there? Is there anyone in there? No, I don't want to be in the middle of a town. I shall escape. I shall. I don't, cause then there's more people, isn't there? Cause they're trying to get stuff. Or, this is a good snipe point. Or no, it's just a town. Damn, son. Okay, right, I'm not gonna go here, cause, no, I'm very bad at games. Right. Okay. I tilted towers I'm at. I'm gonna go up and try snipe people. Even though it's not a sniper, it's a rifle. No! Stop shooting at me, or I will shoot your head off. Mate. Mate, where are you, mate? Knocked himself out. How can you knock yourself out? Well, it's a bit easy, isn't it? Just, like, oh, there's people have been here. I think if you hadn't been here, okay, I feel like going up here. Oh no, you little monster. No, damn it. I was place 59. Guys, yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.